Welcome to Ask Angelica. I'm Angelica with BRK, your trusted, reliable partner in fire safety products since 1958. Today, we're going to be installing a new BRK hardwired alarm. For this installation, I will be using a 9120B, which is an ionization smoke alarm with battery backup. Included in the BRK box is the unit, a mounting bracket, a dust cover, a power connector, and the user's manual, which should be stored in a safe place for future reference. Additional materials that are not included in the box are a Phillips screwdriver, wire cutters, wire nuts, screws, a pen, and a multimeter. Before we get started, I suggest taking your new alarm and writing the installation and replacement date on the back. Make sure you are using a ladder that's sturdy and tall enough for installation. Before we begin the installation process, let's walk over what each wire means on the power connector. The orange wire is the interconnect wire, which is necessary when you're installing multiple alarms in the same unit. The white wire is the neutral, and the black wire is the hot. Make sure to take each wire insulator off before installation. Let's get started. Now that you have everything needed, let's put safety first. Make sure you go to the circuit breaker and shut off the power in the area that you are installing the alarm. To double check that the electricity is shut off in the correct area, use a standard multimeter to measure AC voltage. First, you need to remove the wire nuts. Then you will take your power connector and take the white wire and connect it to the white wire from the junction box. Twist the wires together clockwise. And then take the wire nut and screw it on the same way. Then you will do the black wire the same way. And lastly is the orange interconnect wire. We'll shove all of the wires back up into the junction box so that they're out of our way during installation. Now it's time to install the mounting bracket. Take the mounting bracket and your Phillips screwdriver. Line the mounting bracket up with the two screws on the junction box, twist it, and start to screw in the two screws to make sure that the mounting bracket is nice and secure. Make sure that you're screwing the screws in clockwise. Now that the wiring process is completed, it's time to install the alarm. Simply take the power connector and plug it into the back of the alarm. Then you will twist the alarm onto the mounting bracket so it locks into place. Now you're ready to turn the circuit breaker back on. Always remove the pull tab to activate the battery backup. Now that we've verified that power is on, let's make sure that the detector is working properly. To test your alarm, you'll simply hold the test button down and you'll have 3 beeps, a pause, and then 3 beeps again. Let's try it. Hey, it works! See? Super simple. Make sure to watch the next episode of Ask Angelica to learn some more fire safety tips. Thanks!